Where are the flamingos? Can you spot them?
Hi, Smart ESL Path students! Let's learn about zoo animals and where they are. Ready? Let's go!
What is this? It's a panda. Pandas are large, gentle mammals known for their black and white fur, and they are native to China. They are officially called giant pandas and belong to the bear family. Where is the panda? It's on the rock. Yes, the panda is on the rock. On means
Touching the top of something. Monkey. Monkeys like jumping and playing. Where is the monkey? It's on the rock. On the rock.
on means
Touching the top of something. Elephant. The elephant is big, but it likes to hide. Where is the elephant? It's in the box. In the box. Inside something.
What is this? It's a flamingo. Flamingos are tall, pink birds known for their long legs, curved necks, and beautiful pink feathers. Flamingos are not just pretty, they are smart and social birds, and they help keep their wetland homes healthy. Where is the flamingo? Look carefully.
It's in the box. In the box. Inside something.
What is this? It's a tiger. Tigers are big, wild cats. They have orange fur with black stripes. Tigers are strong, fast, and very quiet when they walk.
Where is the tiger? It's under the tree. Under the tree. Under below something.
What is this? It's a rabbit. Rabbits are small animals with long ears and short tails. They have soft fur and big back legs for jumping.
Where is the rabbit? It's under the tree. Under the tree. Under below something.
What is this?
Kangaroo. Kangaroos are from Australia. They can jump really high and carry babies in their pouches. Where is the kangaroo? Can you see it? It's behind the box. Yes, the kangaroo is hiding behind the box. Behind means at the back of something.
What is this?
Capybara. Capybaras are the biggest rodents in the world. They love to swim and relax in the sun. Where is the capybara? Look carefully.
It's behind the igloo. Yes, the capybara is behind the igloo.
Behind means at the back of something.
What is this?
Penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they are great swimmers. They live in cold places and love the snow. Where is the penguin? Let's take a look. It's in front of the rock. Yes, the penguin is standing in front of the rock. In front of means near the front, not behind.
What is this? It's a brown bear. Bears are big animals with thick fur and strong legs. They have sharp claws and a big nose for smelling food. Where is the bear? It's in front of the waterfall.
In front of means near the front, not behind. Where is the monkey? It's on the rock.
Where is the penguin? It is in the airplane.
Where is the tiger?
It's in front of the rock.
Where is the capybara?
It's behind the bush.
Where is the rabbit? It's under the plant. Great job, smart ESL Path learners. Now you try. Where is the animal? Let's check the answers together.
Have you got all the correct answers?
Great job. Now you can ask, where is the animal? And you can say, it's on, behind, in front of. See you next time.